Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! In our last video, we talked about how to implement scrolling text on the Shopify Dawn 15 theme. Today, we're taking it to the next level by showing you how to create a scrolling collections list on the Shopify Dawn theme. Now you might think scrolling collections aren't as popular as scrolling text, but we've actually seen a lot of interest in this feature. So where can you use these scrolling collections to really make an impact? Well, you could have a new arrivals carousel that automatically showcases your latest products right at the front and center. Or you might want to highlight a seasonal offer that runs on a selected number of collections, making it super easy for shoppers to browse through the promotion. And don't forget about a Trending Now section, where you can display your most popular collections. Alright, let's dive into the technical side of things. Before making any changes, make sure to duplicate your theme, so you can always revert back to the previous version if anything goes wrong. First, we need to create a scrolling collections section. In your Shopify admin, open the code editor of the theme you're going to modify. Create a new section and name it Collection List Marquee. Paste the code and save. We've provided all the code you need in our blog, and you can find the link down in the comments. Then, go to your Shopify admin, open the theme editor, and add the Collection List Marquee section to your homepage, or anywhere you want it. We recommend adding 3 to 6 collections, so they show correctly in one line. Add the collections here. If you add more than 6, then it will show in 2 lines. Let me remove them. Click and select the collections. Let me quickly add the rest of the collections. And there you have it! By adding scrolling collections to your Shopify Dawn theme, you can showcase more products, keep your customers engaged, and ultimately drive more sales. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's anything specific you'd like to see in future Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.